Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is Wednesday, December the 23rd, 2020. Hey, we're getting close to Christmas. Yep, close to Christmas here. Hey, what I'm doing today, y'all, I'm back again. I done this lawn last week, so I'm back again to do it this week. It's been a regular lawn that I take care of on a weekly basis due to all of these leaves. Not too bad this week, but still have some leaves that I need to get out here and start cleaning up. I got this one and then I got another one to do. And I think tonight they're talking about some rain and the temperature's supposed to get down real low. I don't know how low it's gonna go, but it's gonna get cold tonight. And today, we're up to in the 70s, and it ain't bad to work, but it's a little humid, not too bad though. But anyway, y'all know the one I'm talking about. Let me give you a view of it. Okay, you see this one right here, this line right here with all these leaves. What I'm finna start working on right here. See if I can get it all taken care of. All right. Yep, right here. Yeah, this line right here. But that's what I'm finna start working on. So I'm gonna see if I can get out of here and get this one here all taken care of, y'all. So I gotta spend a few minutes here and get this in here all taken care of. I'm gonna let my windows up. I don't want to get in this dust all up in here. I got enough. I gotta clean my truck out. Gotta get it ready for next year. So I gotta do a thorough cleaning in here. Gotta get in here and get all these vacuum dust and all that out of my truck. So I will be doing that over the weekend, getting this truck all cleaned out and everything, inside and out. So we'll have it fresh for the new year. Yep. But yeah, let me get out here. Man. Okay. So I hope I can get this all taken care of. And then just looking at that tree, the leaves are really, if we can look at this tree again, see all them leaves up there, they done, almost all of them are, well, I still got a few, but almost all of them have fallen off that. And what can I say? That's a good tree. Very good tree, very profitable tree. Must say, that's a profitable tree. You like them trees. Yep, you like them trees. Some people, they don't like them trees because of all them leaves. But, hey, I like them. Y'all that do lawn care like them too. I know it can get outrageous sometime, but hey, it still produces a good income for leaf cleanup. But, hey, let me jump in here, y'all, and get this all taken care of. Like I say, I got another one to go and do. So this one ain't too bad. And it looked like I'm getting some sprinkles out here. So hopefully this doesn't stop me from getting this one here taken care of. Let me get in here and get it done, y'all. All right, stay tuned. Guys, I'm still working. Did I say earlier it was good money and lazy? Oh no, it's time consuming doing these leaves jobs. Hey, I managed to get all these leaves up, and then it had some leaves on top of the house, and they blew off. And the tree started dropping some more leaves. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, as you can see right here, see there's some leaves up on top. Now I got everything up. Then the wind started blowing and the leaves started falling back down. And I'm like, it's time to get up out of here. I can't win with these leaves. I tell you, it's kicking my butt today. Got it all nice and clean, then the wind started blowing and the leaves started falling. So now, you see, I blew them into the street, I mulched them up, then I raked them up. As you can see right here, got two big bags, well, one big bag, and then this one over here full of leaves. So, got all that mulched up. Then it was like, do I repeat the process? Well, you know it's time to go get something else done. I ain't finna waste no more time here. But let's go, y'all. Let me go on and put that in the trash, and let's get to another one. All right, stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I just showed up at another property that I'm finna take care of. I did this one last week. I shared a video with y'all on this one. Actually, it's been 2 weeks when I done this one. But let's take a look at it. I don't have to do a lot to it today. It's got a few leaves on it, but not a lot. So I should be able to get in here and get this one taken care of right quick. And let me give you a view of it. Okay, it's this one right here. This one here, as you can see, it's got a few leaves laying down here. So I'm just gonna clean all this here up. And it's got some leaves, let's see. Yeah, down over here on the other side. So it ain't that bad, but it's gonna take a few minutes to just clean it back up so it doesn't look bad. So this is one I had on my schedule for this week. So I'm gonna get this one taken care of, and that's gonna be it. Getting ready for Christmas, y'all. Getting ready. So I managed to work all year round, you know, from January till December until now. So it slowed up, you know, in the wintertime things get a little slow, but hey, that's the way it is. That's the nature of the business. But anyway, y'all, let me jump in here and see if I can get this one taken care of right quick, and then I'm gonna go and see about doing something else. I may do another one, I don't know. I'm gonna drive by and check it out. But stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I just finished this one up. I thought it was gonna be a get in here and get out of here quick. Nah, didn't work that way. It was get in here and let's work. And that's what I had to do. So I managed to get this one all cleaned up. Let's take a look at it. Okay, as you can see, this here is the outside. I managed to get all of this cleaned back up. All the way down, front and back. Got it all cleaned up. Got all the flower beds cleaned up. Got the back all cleaned up back there. Had a lot of pine needles back there. So that took some time to get up, but I got it. And on the other side, I did the same thing. So as you can see, I was able to get all the leaves and debris out from over here on this here side all the way to the back there, as you can see back there. So we got all that all cleaned up. Yep. So hey, ain't gonna be looking good for Christmas. Getting ready, y'all. I'm getting ready. Finna go do you know what? I got another one I'm gonna stop by on my way home, so I may have to go ahead and tighten that one up. So I'll see when I get over that way how it's looking. If it looks like it need a little work, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and give it him. Hey, it looking good for Christmas. Stay tuned though. Let me take off here. just showed up at another property I'm finna take care of. It's got a few leaves on it, not too many, but I'm just gonna get it cleaned up here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's this one right here. This one here is a regular one. I take care all year round. Like I say, looking at it ain't too much to do. It's just got some leaves on it, as you can see around the flower, around the trees and all, and in the mulch and all. So I'm gonna see if I can get that all cleaned up there. And as you can see right out here, I'm just gonna try to get that, kind of cleaned up out there. So it's not too bad. It's probably got some in the back there too. So I'm gonna do the front and the back. So I'm just gonna get it all, picked up and clean. We're gonna make it look good for Christmas here. Okay, stay tuned, y'all. Let me jump in here and get this one taken care of right quick. So it's approaching almost about 5, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm just gonna get out here and get this taken care of right quick. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. I'll give you an after view. All right. Okay, everyone. I managed to get this one here all taken care of. Night is coming up on me, so I managed to get these leaves up. It was a lot of leaves in the back and embedded in the flower bed, so I had to get all of that all cleaned up and all. So let me give you a quick look at it. Okay, this is the way it looks after getting all the leaves and everything up out of there and the flower beds and all around the trees. And over on this here side right here, as you can see. So I got it all cleaned up front and back. Yeah, it took some time, but hey, I got it. It's gonna be looking good for Christmas. So we got it all cleaned up here. We're just taking a look at it and all. Night done come up on me, so that happens all during the year. When I have a number of lawns that I'm taking care of, sometimes I keep pushing because you never know. Rain may come up on you, and the next day you're always saying, well, I wish I would have taken care of that one, and you don't have a chance because it's raining. But I got this one out the way, y'all, and hey, I'm gonna call it. I got it, y'all. I got it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna work next week. No, that's coming into the new year, but I don't know. I'm trying to see what I still have something on my list. If I do, yeah, I'll share that a little bit with you, but I don't know yet. I mean, a lot of these yards, a lot of stuff is not growing. Mostly I've been doing a lot of leaf jobs, but going into the beginning of the year, I'll start doing some mulch around February. I'll start doing that, and then a lot of cleanups and all to get things ready around in the March time frame. Yeah, I do have another one. Guy wanted me to get some topsoil. Wants put out some topsoil to cover some roots in his front yard. So I know I have that for next year. And let me see what else. I don't know, maybe something else. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say I've enjoyed it, enjoyed the day, and always enjoy y'all leaving me comments and giving me the thumbs up. So from time to time, when I have time, I try to share some of my lawn care videos, content of what I'm doing out here. Yeah, I mean, it's a struggle. It's a struggle, I tell you. I'm glad. Well, I'm glad to get this portion of these leaves up. But let me see. Tomorrow. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna be working tomorrow. Hope not, unless somebody calls me at the last minute. I'll go get it. Hey, if they want me to do something for New Year's Eve, I'll go and get it. But I don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna get a call for anything there. But anyway, oh, wait a minute. I just seen a lightning flicker there. So it may be. I know they were talking about some rain this week, so it may rain tonight. If it rains, then hey, I'll be working next week, because this it's gonna drop some more leaves down on some of these lawns, and they're gonna be cleaned up. Because you want to get those leaves up. What happens when you let it lay? It'll smother and choke out your grass, and then you'll have to be buying some sod. I mean, not soil. Well, some topsoil. That's what I'm thinking about. But you will have to get some, some more grass and all if you don't keep those leaves up at all, because it'll just choke it out. It'll get heavy, and the roots and all will rot away. So that's why it's best to try to keep all those leaves all picked up or mulched up in the lawn. Sometimes people will leave them and let them just lay there, and then in the beginning they won't have no grass for next year because all the leaves were heavy and it choked out and smothered the grass and all. And it built, created fungus and all that stuff in there. So it's always best to get those leaves up so that the grass can breathe and you won't get your soil all contaminated and all. Yep. But night done came up on me, y'all, and I'm finna get on out of here. I'm finna get on home. It's been a good day, and again, I wish y'all a Merry Christmas, and also hopefully a happy New Year. Now stay safe out there, y'all. Stay safe. I made it this far. Now I don't know if I gotten sick during the time and not knowing I was sick, but I kept pushing, and I feel all right. But we never know. But hopefully I can keep pushing in 2021. But y'all take care. I got to go now. I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.